Hi, welcome to SPJK Technosoft. Here we are going to learn Automation Anywhere software. What is RPA? What is Automation Anywhere software? How to download, install, and set up Automation Anywhere. Please do subscribe to our channel for the latest technology and environment-related free videos and webinars. Should you need more information about the RPA certification course, please contact the info@technosoft.com. Happy learning, viewers.
Hi friends, welcome to SPJK Technosoft channel. Today we are going to discuss about robotic process automation, automation anywhere, software setup. So robotic process automation, RPA. So today's agenda is what is RPA, what is automation anywhere, downloading automation anywhere, installation and setup of automation anywhere in your desktop, PC or laptop. So what is RPA? It helps business to automate the tasks. RPA helps businesses automate tasks with less human intervention, saving human resources and time, improving their overall productivity in turn. So this is very demanding tool nowadays. As the name suggests, RPA, R stands for robotics, means a machine which mimics human actions. P stands for process, a step-by-step sequence which can complete a task. A stands for automation. Without any human intervention, this can be done. So this will reduce total operation costs. So robotic process automation is a digital workforce of software robots that enables you to emulate and integrate the actions of human behavior within digital systems by developing your own software bots to conduct a business process. Here you can see there are many RPA tools in the market, and RPA positioning shows here core RPA capabilities, front office, BPM, ERP, productivity tools, other access to source decisions. So in today's topic we are going to cover automation anywhere, which here you can see, which is core RPA capabilities. There are other popular RPA tools like Blue Prism, UiPath, Remilia, Pegasystems, etc. So there are more than 50 plus RPA tools available in current market. So as you can see from this magic grid prepared by Gartner, which everyone knows. So in this you can see the RPA vendors in different grids like challengers, leaders, visionaries, niche players. As you can say, beginners. So in this today's most popular software automation anywhere, which is coming under leader grid. What is automation anywhere? So as you can see that it is one of the popular RPA vendors offering powerful and user friendly RPA capabilities to automate any complex task. So RPA is a technology, it's not a tool or it's not a programming language. In digital workforce platforms, there are three main sectors like RPA platform, cognitive platform, analytics platform. So here we say bots. In software terminology, we call it a bot. A bot is a piece of program that executes a task which is repetitive or rule based without human intervention. In one word, we can say bot is a digital workforce. So Automation Anywhere allows organizations to automate the processes which are performed by the humans. It is a web-based management system which uses control room to run the automated tasks. In Automation Anywhere generally consists of two main components, which we see in the Automation Anywhere architecture. So Automation Anywhere architecture, as you can see, consists of main web CR, we call it. CR stands for control room. So where you can see in the diagram, control room consists of these things like dashboard, activity, bots, workload, audit log. So what does dashboard consist? Dashboard is a single view in order to monitor all the bots operations. Activity displays activity with respect to bots. Bots displays all the bots created using this CR server. Also lists the bot credentials. Then workload. It shows the data related to the queue. Audit log. An administrator can view IQ bot logs for all users to enforce accountability and detect problems. So in this architecture, there are two main components as discussed. One is web control room, second is client. Inside client again we got two, which is bot creator client and bot runner client. Okay, so web control room, web CR acts like a command center. Once we see the installation and setup process, then we will understand the architecture completely. So now move on to where to download Automation Anywhere software. So you can download the software at www.automationanywhere.com. So once you visit this site, you can start the free trial version of this software for 30 days. So once the 30 days completes, then maybe you need to give another email ID to create another 1 month subscription with Automation Anywhere. Let's see the demo. So once you visit this site, automationanywhere.com, go to the bottom of this page where you can find here try RPA. So once you click this try RPA, you should be able to see this screen which shows free edition, cloud starter pack, advanced pack. So we are going to go with free edition. So then come down and here you can see looking for enterprise 11. So here click on download enterprise 11. Then there will be one zip form showing where you need to give all your information like first name, last name, business email, country, phone number, company name, number of employees, job level, and click on this checkbox with the agreement and policies, terms and policies. And once completion of all these form details, then click on this start free trial. Please ensure that your business email should be correct because the information on the next steps will be receiving to this email ID. So please ensure that this email ID should be correct. Once I submit this start trial, so I'll be seeing zip file like this. So you can see here 798 MB free trial download. So once you extract this file, again you will be seeing two files. Okay, so you just extract it somewhere in C drive or D drive. Then you will be receiving one email from Automation Anywhere showing like this: welcome to 30-day trial of Automation Anywhere Enterprise. In this, you have to follow the instructions stating download and unzip the enterprise client file, which I already show you. So this is the downloaded file, and you can see the encrypted file here, free trial download. Clear? So once you extract the files, then check your email which you had given during the subscription. So first step is completed. Now second step is launch the client by double clicking on Automation Anywhere Enterprise Client 11.3.3.exe. So which I already executed. Okay, so after completion of your execution, you will be seeing the icon on your desktop with the EA symbol. EA, Automation Anywhere Enterprise Client 11.3. Okay, so here you have to double click on this to open the software that you already downloaded and installed. So here it is asking you log into control room. The control room here, the ID is which already they sent to your email ID. So which is enterprise control room, this one. So you just need to right click and copy link address and paste it here. Okay, then username and password which they already sent you in your email inbox, which is here. The password is also here, so I can just copy paste my username and password, then click on login button. So in this way we are going to start the Automation Anywhere software setup process. So in the upcoming video we are going to see the demo of how to use these softwares, and we will see some real-time examples. So stay tuned to this SPJK channel to get next upcoming videos on Automation Anywhere real-time examples. Thank you very much for your time. If you want more information, you can check this document. Okay, so once it is started, you can see the window like this. So this is command control, we call it. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Bye.
Thank you viewers for your time. I hope you have gained some knowledge from this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest trending technology videos. For any further queries, please reach us at info@spjktechnosoft.com. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you and goodbye.